Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be showing you how I sow geranium F2 mixed. First of all, get your seed tray, fill it with compost and give it a slight tap down. This is a compost that I microwaved yesterday to kill any bugs and any creepy crawlers in there. Once you've got your seed tray up to the correct height, give it a little tap down with your hand, like so. Take your seeds. There's only 20 in here, but I think the packet was only £1, so 20 seeds for £1. That's what it says. Right, 20 to me. Anyway, here we go. Just sprinkle them gently, spread them out as evenly as you can. These need to be at a temperature roughly 18 to 21. You should start to germinate 7 to 14 days hopefully. So once they're sown on there like that, get your compost, a thin layer over the top, like so, and give them a good water and put them on the windowsill, keep them warm. So that's how I sow geranium F2 mix. Good luck folks, and let me know how you get on.